Spread the seeds around. Good job. Good job. Help you? You can do it. Okay, Dad, go first. I'll pull you up. Okay? Okay. Give me your hand. There we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. Whoa. Next stage. Next stage. Across the bridge. Whoa, across the bridge. You gonna go up that way?
You help me though.
I'll help you. You wanna go?
You go up.
I'll go up first. Okay, Dad, go up first. Okay, Dad, up here. You coming up? No. It's cold, right? Hi. You ready? That'll bring you up. Come on. Climb up a little bit. That'll get you. Okay? Come down and push you up? Okay, I can do that too, bud. Okay. Ready? Careful. Okay. Here we go. Well, we're high up here now, hey? You wanna go down the slides? Look at, should we go say hi to Mom? Mom's out here. Look at Dad there. Say hi, Mom. You wanna go down the slide? Okay, Mom says she'll catch us at the bottom. Okay, let's go which side? Do you wanna go down this one?
Yeah.
Or that one?
No, that one.
This one? Okay.
The tunnel.
Oh, the tunnel. Whoa, cool. There we are. Look at our camera. Oh, we got a cool shot. Okay, here we go. Ready?
Yeah.
Whoa. That slides fast. Yeah. Dad lost his hat. Whoa, we just come down that slide. Whoa. Stepping stones. Ding. Ding. What? Okay, I'll follow you. Okay. Well, I can't climb up a slide, just gotta go down them. You wanna go up on the slide? Okay, let's go up that slide. You crawl under the ropes? Oh, Dad, crawl over them. Whoa, crawl over them. Are we adventuring? Yeah. Oh, playground adventures. Someone ringing the bells. Oh, nice. Pin you? Oh, I'm unpinning it for you. Oh.
You got me, Mom. You got me, Mom.